product out there that would give you a wax-like feel to your furniture without all of the arm work you need to apply the wax. I found this Polyvine acrylic varnish, and it's very easy to use, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. And this product will give us great durability, and it comes in satin and dead flat, and today I'm using dead flat.
It also is water resistant, heat resistant, abrasion resistant, microporous, and water cleanup.
I'm going to be applying this varnish to this armoire that I had transformed. And if you're interested, you can check the link above, one of these. So you can see the transformation of the armoire from the before to the after. Hi, I'm Jacqueline. Welcome to my channel.
So before starting to use the varnish, you want to stir, but you don't want to shake it because you don't want to have bubbles. So all you need to do is lay it flat and just roll it on your surface a couple times. And that gets the product stirred enough for you to use. And I pour a little bit into a container.
You can use a fine sanding sponge to just lightly go over your piece. Make sure it's nice and smooth. I'm not going to do this to this drawer. And I will show you in the close-up. This drawer has texture added to it. After painting it, I applied some DIY Pennies from Heaven, which is a copper paint, and I used a brayer. Therefore, it is textured, and I want to maintain that texture. So for this drawer, I'm not going to sand it back.
I'm going to use my synthetic brush. Now, if you had wood grain, you could go with the grain. So I'm just going to go lengthwise. And you just want to apply a thin coat. It goes on so smoothly. And you do have some play time. Not too much, but enough. It dries fairly quickly to the touch, but they suggest not applying a second coat until at least 1 or 2 hours after. I'll just make sure I covered the whole surface. I always wear a glove because I like to run my fingers along the edges. Make sure I don't have any drips. And then just wipe it on my apron. So I'm going to let that dry, and I'm going to move on to another drawer. This one has a transfer on it.
And if you haven't already, I would love if you would hit that subscribe button. And at the end of this video, if you would leave me a comment, that would be great.
They recommend 1 to 2 coats. You can certainly add a third coat, depending on the use of your furniture. So this second drawer has already been sealed with the finish, and it really does feel like a wax finish. It's nice and smooth, no bumps. They recommend sanding lightly in between coats. I'm just going to sand this one like very, very lightly because of the transfer. And it's really smooth, so it really doesn't even need to be sanded. Nice. Now I'm going to apply my second coat. Oh, I'm going to put my glove on. Now, when I applied the first coat, I went with the grain of the wood. This time I'm going to apply it lengthwise, just to make sure that I have covered the entire drawer. And I'm using the light that's reflecting on the drawer to see if I've missed any spots. This product doesn't feel tacky at all when you're applying it. It's just nice. Okay, let that dry. Now I'm going to apply the varnish to this door and see how it works on a vertical surface. Nice, it's not dripping. And there you have it. I will do the rest of the cabinet. And you can wash the brush with just water. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.